Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here, EminiTrdingPit.com, and I wanted to make a video. I've been seeing a lot of just terrible information out there in the interwebs about, trading with prop firms and, just trading in general. So I wanted to make my own video. Reasons to prop trade. Why would you work with a prop firm? I've had a lot of accounts get funded. I've worked with traders and had, they have gotten accounts funded, and it's really good. And I want to talk about why, and I want to talk about why you should look at it as a business. Don't look at it as, let me just, plop some funds in and trade one direction on one and another direction on another. One of the accounts is going to get funded. That's gambling. So if you're gambling to get funded, what are you going to do after you get funded? You hear a lot of stats when people go to prop firms, they get an account funded. The majority of them blow up in the first month. Most of them don't last over 3. And that's why people have a gambling mentality. So I want to talk about prop trading. Like I said, I work with a lot of traders to get help people get funded because it is a real business. And what are my main reasons to trade with a prop firm? First is you can use OPM, use other people's money. You have a small fee when you're in the process of getting funded, when you just have an evaluation account. And then once you get that PA account, you don't pay any fees anymore. Usually, for the majority of prop firms, you pay a small fee as you're in the evaluation process. And then once you pass, you go into the PA process and you don't pay any more fees, but you pay a one-time fee. So right now with Apex, you pay a small fee, monthly fee, and then after that you can choose to pay a monthly fee or you can pay a one-time fee. And that's the reason I really wanted to do this video. A lot of people talk about Apex funded trading, which in my opinion, you have Top Step, which is really good. You have Apex trading, which is really good. Those are the two that I recommend others to do. I just like them. But I wanted to do this video because of Apex specifically, because once you pass that evaluation process, you can pay a monthly fee, which is every single month, or you can pay one lifetime fee, which is not that much more than 1 month. Depending on the size of your account, it could be a little bit lower. But a lot of people are recommending to do the monthly fee because most accounts blow up after the first month. So that doesn't make sense to me. You need to have a system of trading, a really good methodology, a strategy that's been back tested, and one that you're able to do. And that's what I teach. Do you make money on every trade? No. Nobody makes money on every trade. If they tell you that, they're lying to you or they're lying to you. It can't happen. No one's 100%. But using other people's money, so you go in, you have a very tiny investment up front, and then once you pass, you're using other people's money to trade. And I view futures trading as an income source. So what you're doing, you're using other people's money to grow your income, and then you can use that income to fund investments. Maybe you want to just save a bunch of money and get a house, or you want to invest into the stock market or invest in cryptocurrency, or you just want to have a nest egg there of liquidity that you can just put in the bank so you feel good. And that creates independence. Independence is really why we do everything that we do. So I look at futures trading as an income source. investing into the stock market, that's more, let me try to grow my wealth. Cryptocurrency, you can do short term, that's income. Long term would be, let me put some money in and grow my wealth. And that's what I like about prop trading. I use a strict methodology. Once you pass that evaluation account, then you're on that PA account, and you're able to make an income for yourself. And then eventually, if you're good enough, they'll give you the bit larger funded account. But this is really the process: is you come in with a system, you put that system to use, you get funded, you make an income, and then that income is going to really create a lot more independence in your life. You're not going to be tied to anything. You just get on your computer, you trade. You need a really good internet connection, and by really good, I guess it's the basic, Ethernet now. It's maybe I'm dating myself a bit, but that's really what you do. And it's really clear. Those are the steps. You don't gamble. You don't say, let me just trade really, every contract one way and every contract another way, get funded in one day. That's, you're really teaching yourself bad skills. Because whenever you do something, your brain is learning all the time. So whenever you do certain skills, if it's the wrong thing to do, like gambling, for example, then your brain's going to say, oh, look, I did this. It was not, in the system that I'm using, and it was pure gambling, but I got this reward from it. And once your brain sees that reward, you're going to start getting that gambling mentality. And that really puts you down a road that you don't want to go down if you want to be a trader. So I wanted to put this video out. Hopefully it did make sense and you got something out of it. I think it's very, very important to learn how to trade correctly. And I always say there's 4 types of trades. There's a trade that's not within your system and does well, is a success. That's the worst type of trade you could have. There's a trade that's not within your system and it loses money. Then there's the other 2 trades. One that's within your system and is successful, makes money. And then the other one, it's within your system, but it loses money. It's not successful. If you've been trading long enough, you're going to have successful trades and you're going to have unsuccessful trades. But as long as it's within your system and it's back tested and the numbers, what to look out for, you're going to be okay. And looking at it as a business, as a way to generate income, that's really the best way to look at it. So hopefully you did enjoy the video. If you want to learn how to prop trade with a system, check out my website down below. I have a WAP that I'm switching everything over to that. So, I look forward to working with you if you want to. And if you got something out of the video, put something in the comments. Let me know. I appreciate that. Whether you're, trying to go on YouTube and learn for free, or you want to pay somebody to learn from and get their experience, either way, I just want you to be prepared. Know that it's not a gambling thing. Prop trading is a real way where you can make income. So with that, hopefully you got something out of the video. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you around the markets. Take care.